Whoops. That's silly.
Yellow patch, red patch, green patch.
Whoops.
If you don't do silly.
Silly.
Silly's got a bird.
Sorry.
Blue coat.
Whoops.
Infinity's dog.
Here, show me the page. Hold it up like a teacher so I can see. Oh, good job.
Whoops,
Whoops.
whoops, whoops, whoops.
Whoops, whoops, whoops. Other way.
Okay.
Other way, Judy. Oh.
Red. Yellow patch. Red patch. Green patch. Whoop.
Whoops.
If that is that, move it. Blue goat. Whoop.
Whoops.
If that is that, silly red a bird.
Other way. Turn the page that's on the green coat. See, we already read that page.
Yeah, we'll read that page. Blue goat. Whoop.
Whoop.
Let's do it backwards. Red sock.
Whoop. Whoop.
Yellow sock.
Shoes.
Yellow sock.
They're shoes, silly.
Those are not shoes. They're says socks.
They're shoes.
No, they're socks.
Are they socks?
Yes.
Oh, you are right. They're socks.
Oh, they're
You're
not.
smarter than Mommy.
Green shoes, yellow shoes, blue shoes. What? So that is it. That's silly.
That is silly.
Hey! Yellow hat. I gotta go pee.
Okay.
After I read the story, okay? Let's try it again. Okay?